Thursday, jurors briefly watched an Uber driver's dash cam video. It captured the moment Brianna Benson's car hit Maddie Hart. Today, Cincinnati police traffic expert John Halusik explained why he considers the video so important.
By watching the video, I see the tires of the front of the car turn to the right and strike the individual. So in that, it became clear to us that it was an intentional act, that she turned to the right to strike her.
18-year-old Hart, a St. Ursula grad, died last March, 4 days after being hit by Benson's car and dragged 88 feet. Halusik broke down the video frame by frame.
Her right leg, her right foot, is right in front of the front tire as the tire is starting to turn to the right. Where I stopped it here, it's more distinct, where you can see that tire still come over. The car is now running up the right leg of the pedestrian.
Less than a second later, Hart was under Benson's car as it headed south on Walnut Street.
There are no brake lights on the car. It's just accelerating.
Benson's attorneys say their 21-year-old client was scared and trying to flee after this street brawl Benson and Hart were both involved with shortly before the deadly encounter.
Would you further agree with me that the Uber video does not demonstrate what is going on inside the car, such as showing the panic that the driver's experiencing when Maddie is beating on the car?
I can't see inside the car.
Thank you. And
yeah, that was during cross-examination by defense attorney Patrick Mulligan. Now, while acknowledging he didn't know what Brianna Benson was thinking, Officer John Halusik said she could have gone in 5 directions with her car: stay still, reverse, go forward, or left. Halusik said instead Benson turned right, the one option that put Hart's life in danger. Todd Dykes, WLWT News 5.